All right, listen up. Life? It's a rigged video game. And personal finance? That's the tutorial they skipped, the level they locked behind a paywall, and the part of the game where you're supposed to figure it out while you're already getting punched in the financial face. Nobody handed you a manual. You just spawned in, broke, confused, emotionally fragile, and somehow already in debt. Welcome to Earth, Player 1. Grab your overdrawn debit card and get ready to suffer. But don't worry, I'm here to give you the cheat codes, the actual ones. Not the cut back on your daily coffee ones written by rich people who've never had to decide between Wi-Fi or groceries. I'm talking the kind of codes that keep your bank account alive and your mental health semi-functional. Let's hack the system. Let's beat the game. You ever feel like you're grinding through life like a broke NPC? You wake up, go to work, dodge overdraft fees like enemy fire, pray that the gas tank stretches another 2 days, and celebrate payday like it's Christmas, until you realize rent is due tomorrow and your account is already on life support. That's because you're playing the hardest mode in the worst designed game ever made. Capitalism, Survival Edition. No respawns, no checkpoints, just anxiety and taxes. But it doesn't have to be this miserable. There are cheat codes, and I wrote them down while dodging bills and emotional breakdowns in the trenches. Let's go. Cheat code. 1. Start broke, stay woke. You start the game with a negative balance and emotional baggage. Congrats. Your first weapon is probably student debt or worse, your parents' money beliefs, and an unhealthy relationship with Amazon Prime. But here's the first cheat. Awareness equals currency. Once you realize every ad, influencer, and limited time offer is part of an elaborate in-game trap to drain your gold, you unlock financial self-defense mode. Suddenly you see it. All of it. The fake urgency, the guilt marketing, the social pressure to buy crap you don't need to feel worthy. You see the trap. You don't step in it. Boom, you've leveled up. Cheat code 2. Income greater than outflow equals win. Basic, right? Spend less than you earn. Except it's not basic when you're getting emotionally manipulated by a TikTok ad for a smart water bottle that tracks your hydration and your hopes and dreams. But here's the truth. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's power. It's like inventory management in Resident Evil. You only carry what you need, not 17 unnecessary subscriptions and 4 mood-based food delivery apps. Every dollar is a survival item. Treat it like one. Because when the final boss shows up, surprise medical bill, job loss, or car repair, you'll be glad you didn't spend your last gold coin on matching outfits for your dog and your ego. Cheat code 3. Debt equals digital parasite. Debt is that invisible monster that starts out small, cute, harmless. Just 30 pounds a month, it whispers. Then suddenly, it evolves into a full-blown soul leech feeding on your paychecks and peace of mind. Here's the cheat. Debt is a time vampire. It doesn't just take your money, it steals your future. Interest is not your friend. Credit cards are not backup income. And buy now, pay later is just live now, panic forever, in disguise. Kill your debt early, or watch it spawn more debt babies and eat your future alive. Cheat code. 4. Your job is a quest, not your purpose. Jobs are not soulmates. They're side quests. Temporary, strategic, necessary. Get the gold. Get the XP. Get out. Don't romanticize corporations. They'll offer you family culture and take away your weekends. They'll say, "We're a team," then fire you over Zoom before your morning coffee is even brewed. Use your job like it's using you. Stack money, build skills, plot your escape, and never, ever tie your self-worth to a paycheck. That's how you lose the plot. Cheat code 5. Savings equals armor. Emergencies don't announce themselves. They show up uninvited like bugs in a Bethesda game. That's why savings isn't optional. It's not just a nice to have. It's your only defense. It's your armor. When your car breaks down, or your boss restructures your position, or your tooth decides to betray you. Savings is what stops you from spiraling into panic and eating instant noodles for the next month. Even 10 pounds a week. That's 520 pounds a year. That's groceries. That's rent buffer. That's dignity. Build your shield before the arrows come. Cheat code 6. Investing isn't rich people stuff, it's escape plan stuff. You think investing is for Wall Street bros and crypto bros yelling hodla from their Teslas? Nah. Investing is for anyone who wants to stop working until they die. Compound interest is the most broken feature in the game. It's money that makes more money while you're sleeping, eating, or having a breakdown in the shower. Start small, start scared. Start now. You don't need thousands. You need consistency. You don't need confidence, you need time. Because the earlier you start, the easier it gets. It's literally the only game where waiting equals winning. Cheat code 7. Consistency greater than brilliance. Nobody cares if you know all the stock symbols or can explain NFTs at parties. Please don't. What matters? Doing boring things repeatedly for an unfairly long time. Saving 5 pounds every week? Cooking your own food? Actually reading your bank statement like it's not a horror story. The power is in the repetition. It's like damage over time. It doesn't feel strong at first. But wait a few months, and suddenly your money habits are melting dragons. And no one saw it coming. Cheat code 8. Social media is the ultimate boss fight. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Everyone's rich, beautiful, and on vacation every 2 weeks. And you? You're trying to justify a microwave meal and convince yourself that air-fried potatoes count as self-care. Here's the truth. Most people are broke. Even the ones with designer shoes and beach selfies. They're leasing their lifestyle and drowning in silent panic. You're comparing your behind-the-scenes struggle to their highly edited highlight reel. It's not a fair fight. Turn off the feed. Focus on your game. You'll be 10 levels ahead while they're still chasing validation likes with debt they can't afford. Cheat code 9. Skills equals currency. Inflation can destroy your savings. Markets can crash. Jobs can ghost you. But skills are recession-proof. Learn how to write, fix things, build websites, edit videos, sell products, tell stories. Something that translates into value. Your future isn't built with stuff. It's built with skills. That's what makes you rich. Not rich in vibes. Rich in options. Stack your XP. Upgrade your stats. Become the character who doesn't just survive. They thrive. Cheat code 10. Frugality is a superpower, not a symptom. Frugal isn't broke. Frugal is stealth wealth. While everyone else is on a spending spree trying to fill emotional voids, you're budgeting, saving, and investing like a financial ninja. You don't buy things to impress strangers. You buy freedom, time, security, peace. You buy the ability to say no without guilt, to quit toxic jobs, to walk away from stress, to sleep at night without worrying if your card will get declined at the gas station. Frugality isn't sacrifice. It's strategy. Cheat code 11, know your win condition. Here's the final cheat. You can't win if you don't know what winning even looks like. If your goals are just have money or be rich someday, you're stuck in an endless grind with no boss to beat. Define your win. Do you want freedom? Early retirement? No debt? The ability to nap on Tuesdays? Set that goal. Everything else is just noise. Because when you have your definition of success, you stop chasing everyone else's. You play the game your way. And that's how you win. Personal finance is a messed up, confusing, glitch-filled game. The rules change. The map sucks. The enemies respawn. And the tutorial? Non-existent. But you're not powerless. Once you learn the cheat codes, once you stop playing on autopilot, once you realize your money isn't just currency, it's control. You stop surviving, and you start dominating. No, the game isn't fair, but now, at least you know how to play, and that changes everything. So go, stack your XP, save your gold, dodge the traps, and rewrite the damn rules. Game on, player one.